Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the thump sound of my Royal Enfield. I have been recording the thump sound of my bike since the time I got it. Today I'm going to show you the difference between thump sound right from the day I purchased to third service. Guys, my channel is about sharing tips and tricks and also how to maintain your bike. So do subscribe to my channel for my upcoming videos and don't forget to click like. I hope you like this video. Please take care and have a healthy life.